Let me show you how you can add music to your movie project in iMovie on your Mac. You probably already drag and drop your video clip. Then add it to the timeline below. Now we want another layer with a music. Before we can do that, we need to just drag and drop the music into our project. After you drop an audio clip, you will see a preview like that. Now drag it down into the timeline section and position this just below your video, not after the video, below the video directly. So this way the music will play during the video. You can adjust the volume of your music by dragging this line up and down. Of course, in case like mine, when the song is way longer than the video clip, you will need to cut it by pushing the end of the timeline for the song towards the end of the video, so you can align those two together to avoid having just like the black screen at the end of your video. We cannot see anything, we can only hear the music. And in case like that, we want to ease out the song. We don't want a song to just stop. We want the song to slowly get the volume down until it disappears, right? So this time we pull up this little dot to ease out the sound. You can do this thing at the beginning as well if you want. So you can ease in the sound. It's really tricky. Don't select the end of this track, just select that little dot to ease it in and out. Alright, and now we got our music together with our main clip. You can of course play it first to test and then export your video with your music. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I will see you in the next one.